Yeah? Did you want to give me a purse? Can I have a purse? Uh-huh. You feel so good. Yes, shake your purses, but don't fall down. Can I have a purse? You give mommy a purse? I'm gonna put it on with one pant leg up. Now that's it. This is a crazy picture. That's Stephen Colbert as Angela Davis.
Is it Angela Davis or Michelle Obama?
Both. Because he is doing both. Mushu got pani pantalones?
Jojo, are you going to sit in your chair? You want to sit in your chair? Why don't you sit in the chair?
Here you go, baby. There's your chair. Do you want to get your purse and have a seat in your chair?
She really doesn't want to sit anymore now that she can walk. Doesn't it seem like she's practicing?
Mm-hmm.